Okay guys, today I'm going to be restoring this mini sledgehammer. I think it's a 2 pound. It's a 2 or 3 pound sledgehammer I'm going to be restoring today. And I got this piece of oak and I'm going to get all the bark off of it and square the ends up, and I'll get back to y'all when I get that done. Okay guys, I got the handle all shaped. I got the bark all off of it, and I got it marked at the top how far I'm going to come down with the thing for the little sledgehammer, mini sledgehammer. Now I'm going to take and I'm going to get all this stuff off of it, and I'm going to take and get this in where Okay guys, I got the handle shaped up how I want it. And now I'm going to take and sand it. And I'm going to put this in this rust removal stuff too. Oh gosh. Yeah. I'll just leave it like that and turn it over tomorrow. And I'm going to leave that in there for 24 hours and I'm going to sand this all down and I'll get back to y'all when I get that done. Okay guys, I got it all sanded down and all. And now I'm going to cut the slot up here for my wedge and I'll get back to y'all when I get that done. Okay guys, I got the wedge made and that's going to be it until tomorrow. I got to let that hammerhead sit in the rust removal for 24 hours and I'll get back to y'all tomorrow. Okay guys, I've been sitting in the rust removal for 24 hours and now I got out the rust remover and dried off. Now I'm going to put it on the handle and put my wedge in and I'll get back to y'all when I get that done. Okay guys, I got the wedge in now and I got it on the handle. I got the wedge on and I got 2 extra little wedges in too. Now I'm going to seal the handle and I'll get back to y'all when I get that done. Okay guys, I got the handle sealed and all, and that's going to be it for this video. Hope y'all enjoyed.